Don't underestimate the cat's hidden strength. Arm wrestling with the cat boss only leads to surrender.
Gremlin, what's the deal? Yeah? Baby, good morning. What? Gremlin, I love you.
Say good morning.
The boy who lived has come to die.
He has the brain cells nearby because he's trying to intercept it. Oh, did it skip you again? Well, that's just plain rude. I'm sorry, everybody.
Would you like some more dinner? What? You don't want your sprouts? Why? Why don't you like sprouts? No? Or do you want me to eat your sprouts? Yes, I'll eat your sprouts and there's your dinner.
Truly, a brotherhood crumbles when food appears. This cat won't let anyone touch its meal.
Get out. Yes, get out. No, you cannot stay in there. Out. Every day. Out. Fine, bye. Enjoy.
Пиздец, это сыкло нахуй. Ебать. Сын кабан ебан. Смотри, стоит чисто стойки нахуй. Сучка стоит, блядь. Смотри на него, блядь. Стойки стоит, блядь. Смотри, блядь.
That you can come up to me and bump me and say meow, but I can't do to you. Meow. Yeah. What if I'm hungry? But, whoa, you're really taking down the house. Burning down the house. Excuse me, I'm hungry. Meow.
What? Why is so grumpy? Oh no. Yeah? What do you need? So what do you want?
And then I have to cook, and then I have to clean, and I have to go to work tomorrow, and all you do is sleep.
She offered adventure. He was busy being adored. Classic cat scheduling conflict.
Oh, okay. Do you want to go watch the rain?
Shut up. You talk too much. Yeah, you do. Okay, I'm sorry. I was just joking with you. No, Tapaz, why are you up there? Okay.
Two cats at the window solving world problems in meow code. Neighborhood gossip, likely.
The other cat brought backup, even the dog joined. But the boss doesn't share.
Who are you talking to? Not me. You just ate so much food. You're gonna stretch about it? Okay.
Why every time I cook? Why when I cook you cover my mouth?
This cat's dizzying tail chase. This endless spinning will surely make you laugh out loud.
It would be so awesome. It would be so cool.
Leo? No. No.
Honey, be careful.
Meow meow. Meow meow. Meow. Meow meow.
Try some? Here, baby, try that.
Yeah? What do you think? It's getting rid of your tinkles. Yeah.
I kind of have OCD.
You mean obesity?
Turning the curtain into a roller coaster. This black cat is a natural acrobat, playing non-stop.
Watch, every single night we go through this. What? Do you want this? This? You want some? Every day.
Don't laugh at him. It's okay, Wonky. Wonky!
Well, hello. His voice carries like he's hosting a game show.
Oh no. You don't need more food.
Oh no. Oh no.
Bought a mountain of toys, but the cat only loves a shoelace. Expensive toys can't compare to simple passions.
Mama.
Hey, do you want to play? Oh, can you hit the button? 2.6. Can you hit the button? Can you hit button? Button.